Buck, how you doing though with that 20x? So let's take a look what we got there, right? Not a bad one. 2x? Nah. 10, okay, 20x, 40x, 100x, and some doubles. Guys, guess what? 20x on the top. 100 times 20, that's 2,000, right? Oh, 2,000x, baby, let's go. All right, let's see if we can catch it then. All right, Buck, let's give it a nice kiss. All right, come on. Good luck, everybody. 2,000x, the toppity top. Whew, my hands are shaking. My hands are shaking, and I'm still shooting. Whew. All right, let's see. That's a 2,000 there. That's a come on. Go. Oh, yeah, we got it, baby. Woo! 3,000 believers. We got it. 3,634 players. Woo!